Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, October 26, 2018, last Friday in October. Looking at our homework for this evening, we need to finish our Edulastic assignment in math class. Quite a few of you did get that done, especially the morning classes. If you are in 6th, 7th, or 8th period, that is something that you need to work on. Science, social studies, and language arts, there is no homework. And in language arts, we need to read 30 minutes as always. All right, one important thing to remember is today is the end of the first 9 weeks. We're 1/4 of the way through 6th grade, which that's hard to believe. But Monday starts fresh. So if your first quarter didn't go the way you wanted it to, guess what? You got a shot at redemption beginning on Monday. If your first quarter was exactly how you wanted it to be, then guess what? Keep on doing what you've been doing, and hopefully we'll see the same results. It's been a really good, very fast first quarter. That's going to be it for today. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and hopefully we can stay dry out there. See you next week.